The world is changing at a faster pace than ever, and there's only one way to keep up: modernize and adapt. Without greater visibility into your operations and what's going on, how can you adapt and act quickly? RFID can be a great solution to achieve more visibility, but it's important to get it right the first time. If you're still searching for the right answer or unsure if it's worth the investment, we get it. Thankfully, there's a better option. With Zebra, the full promise of RFID is not only possible, it's now practical, giving you the ability to transform your business ahead of competitors. All along, Zebra's been there leading, steadily innovating, connecting portfolios, silos, and systems to generate a comprehensive solution that delivers on the original promise: affordable, reliable, and consistent RFID. Now it's become more than just sensing. With Zebra, you'll finally be able to extract, analyze, and act on quality data to uncover hidden opportunities and generate impacts across the entire supply chain. Automating processes, freeing up workers, enhancing visibility. From printers, encoders, tags, and readers to the software and design needed to tie it all together, Zebra's broadest portfolio has you covered and ready to deliver the greatest interoperability. With successful and proven implementations globally, it's sure to overcome your real-world challenges. Now you'll be able to know what is in every trailer as soon as it enters the gate. Oversee work in process, minimize out-of-stocks, get a handle on your inventory and reduce shrinkage, help healthcare workers find equipment within seconds. That's just the beginning. With Zebra RFID, you'll be in command, but never on your own. Backed by Zebra's service team, support specialists, and an ecosystem of partners to guide your every move. Now, your way forward is clear, well-supported, and pain-free. Enhancing your ability to sense, analyze, and act quickly across your entire enterprise. With broader options and broader horizons, what could you accomplish with full-scale RFID transformation? Zebra RFID. More transformation, no complication.